Do you want to travel the world without breaking the bank? Welcome to the exciting world of budget travel, where seeing new places doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's a trend that's catching on with people of all ages, from students to retirees. The key is in the planning and research, finding those hidden gems that don't cost the earth but still provide a quality experience. So let's get started. Choosing budget-friendly destinations. Your journey starts with picking the right destination. In the world of budget travel, not all destinations are created equal. Some regions of the world are simply cheaper to explore than others, and choosing a budget-friendly destination can be the difference between stretching your travel dollars or burning through them in a matter of days. Let's take Southeast Asia for example, a region renowned for its affordability. Here, you can relish in the lush landscapes of Vietnam, explore ancient temples in Cambodia, or savor the spicy street food of Thailand, all for less than the price of a dinner out in some Western cities. The approximate daily cost in this region can be as low as $20 to $30, including accommodations, meals, and activities. Or perhaps you fancy a cultural immersion in Eastern Europe. The historic cities of Poland, Romania, or Bulgaria offer rich history, impressive architecture, and hearty cuisine without the hefty price tag. You can expect to spend around $30 to $40 a day here. And let's not forget about Central America, where countries like Nicaragua and Guatemala serve up a unique blend of natural beauty, vibrant markets, and ancient ruins, with a daily budget as low as $25 to $35. Choosing a budget-friendly destination is about more than just saving money. It's about finding places where your dollar goes further, allowing you to have more experiences, meet more people, taste more foods, and create more memories. Remember, a budget-friendly destination doesn't mean you're compromising on experience. Finding affordable accommodations. A major part of your budget goes to accommodations, but it doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, there's a whole world of affordable, quality accommodations out there, if you know where to look. Websites like Booking.com, Hostelworld, and Airbnb are treasure troves of budget-friendly options. From dormitory-style hostels to private rental apartments, these platforms offer a wide array of choices for the frugal traveler. Hostels, for instance, are a fantastic option if you're traveling solo or with a group of friends. They're not only affordable, but also provide a chance to meet fellow travelers from around the world. And don't worry, many hostels these days offer private rooms too, if you value your privacy. Budget hotels, on the other hand, provide a balance between cost and comfort. Look for ones that offer complimentary breakfast or have a kitchenette, so you can save on meals too. Rental apartments are another great choice. They provide a home-away-from-home experience and allow you to cook your own meals, ultimately saving on food costs. But if you're really looking to stretch your budget, consider less traditional options. House swapping, where you exchange homes with someone in your destination, can be a fun and essentially free way to find accommodations. Or consider volunteering for accommodations. Websites like Workaway and HelpX connect travelers with hosts who provide free room and board in exchange for a few hours of work each day. Choosing the right stay can make your journey comfortable without burning a hole in your pocket. Exploring free activities and attractions. Exploring a new place doesn't always mean spending money. In fact, some of the most authentic travel experiences come from activities and attractions that don't cost a penny. Consider the bustling world of local markets. These places are treasure troves of culture, filled with local produce, traditional crafts, and the friendly chatter of vendors. They're a great way to get a feel for the city's rhythm and people's daily lives. Next on the list are museums and attractions. Many cities offer free access to their museums on certain days or hours. Some even have attractions that are always free, like historical landmarks, art installations, and public gardens. It's a fantastic opportunity to soak in the local history, art, and culture. But don't forget about nature's splendor. Local parks offer a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively. Whether you're picnicking under the shade of a tree, reading a book by a tranquil lake, or simply watching the world go by, parks provide a peaceful break from the hustle and bustle. But don't forget about nature's splendor. Local parks offer a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively. Whether you're picnicking under the shade of a tree, reading a book by a tranquil lake, or simply watching the world go by, parks provide a peaceful break from the hustle and bustle. Lastly, keep an eye out for free events or festivals. They're a wonderful way to experience the city's vibrancy and traditions, from music performances and art exhibitions to cultural parades and food festivals. So, remember, you can have fulfilling travel experiences without breaking the bank. Immerse yourself in local culture without spending a dime. Cost-effective transportation and food options. Getting around and eating well are essential parts of travel. So, how can we make these aspects of our journey cost-effective? One of the best ways to save money on transportation is to use public transit. Buses, trams, and trains are often a fraction of the cost of taxis or ride shares, and they offer a chance to experience the city like a local. If you're in a city where it's safe and feasible, consider renting a bike. Not only is this a cheap mode of transport, but it's also a fantastic way to see the sights at your own pace. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in a little exercise during your trip. Now, let's talk food. Dining at high-end restaurants can be a memorable part of travel, but it can also be a significant drain on your budget. Instead, why not try eating at local markets or street food stalls? These places offer a wealth of delicious and authentic food options, often at a fraction of the cost. And don't forget, eating like a local isn't just about saving money. It's also about embracing the culture and culinary traditions of your destination. From a steaming bowl of pho in a bustling Vietnamese market to a simple, yet satisfying, baguette sandwich from a Parisian street vendor, these meals can be some of the most memorable experiences of your travels. Travel and eat like a local to save money and gain a unique experience. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean missing out on the fun. We've shown you that you can choose budget-friendly destinations without sacrificing quality experiences. Affordable accommodations aren't a myth, they're just a smart search away. Free activities and attractions are abundant, you just need to know where to look. And let's not forget about cost-effective transportation and food options that keep your wallet happy. So pack your bags, the world is waiting to be explored, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune.